Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add permissions to a vendor. From the dashboard, you will find Vendor Management on the left menu under Administration. This is the vendor overview page. Let's edit the permissions for the sample vendor. First, click the vendor's name. Next, click the Edit Access button next to the vendor's name. Let's add Measure Access to IQR. This brings up a window for access to sepsis. Click Add Sepsis. Now you can assign Upload Edit access for this measure. Add your discharge quarters and submission dates, then click Confirm. If the measures are correct, click Apply and Close to return to permissions. Once finished adding permissions for measure access, scroll to the bottom to review. After you've reviewed, you can save and close this vendor. You are now back at the Vendor Management Overview page, where you will see all of your vendors. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.